Hi, this is Dr. Nupur from Lucknow. So today we'll be talking about obese man with an increased BMI. So such patients can come to us with an abnormal semen analysis. So there can be four things in such patients. So they can be low sperm count, or the morphology may be defective, or they may have ejaculatory dysfunction, or they may have premature ejaculation. So first of all, in these patients, we have to rule out systemic diseases like diabetes and hypertension, and we have to treat, and atherosclerosis, of course, because these obese patients usually have increased lipid profile. So apart from this, what we can do is we can do a TE ratio, that is testosterone estrogen ratio, which in these patients will come as less than 10. Why it is coming less? Because the testosterone is all getting converted to estrogen in the periphery, in the adipose tissue, with the use of this aromatase enzyme. The other thing is DNA fragmentation test, which will be increased in these patients. This is because in obese patients, the scrotal temperature because of this obesity is more, which leads to more of this DNA fragmentation. So for treatment for these patients are obviously weight loss, which is the most important part, and other lifestyle modifications, and we can give letrozole in these patients, which is aromatase inhibitor, and will prevent this conversion of testosterone to estrogen and increase the testosterone level. So this is letrozole is given as 2.5 mg OD for 3 weeks, then 1 week off, and this is done for 3 months duration total, and then a repeat analysis can be done. Thank you.